subscribe her channel, please, and like it. Hi guys, as you see, my children accidentally broke the mirror. So, what do you think? What we can do this mirror to the beautiful, because it has a beautiful stand there, here, and also only mirror broken. And I can replace the mirror, but I don't want to. I want to create something new. So what do you think, huh? So I show you what I think. Let's start it. You!
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you,
bye. Thank you for watching my video. So guys, I'm going to take a photo of her and I put it my camera ready, and I really just 1 second, I'm gonna put here, and I really hope guys you subscribe my channel, and please like or leave a comment if you have any question. That's really motivates me. Thank you for watching again, and just believe in yourself and your imagination. Bye for now.